हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है x पावर 1/4 प्लस 1552 माइनस x ब्रैकेट पावर 1/4 दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 10 एंड वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x। तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस वाली प्रॉब्लम को हम किस प्रकार से सॉल्व करेंगे। हियर इफ वी पुट x पावर 1/4 दिस इज इक्वल्स टू a and 1552 minus x bracket power 1/4 this is equals to b. Then here if we take power for both sides, then in left hand side that is equals to x is equals to a power 4, and here if we take power for both sides, then in left hand side that is 1552 minus x this is equals to b power 4. Now x power 1/4 is replaced by a, then here a plus and 1552 minus x bracket power 1/4 is replaced by b, then here b is equals to 10, and here x is equals to a power 4, and here 1552 minus x this is equals to b power 4. If we add both the expressions, then plus x and minus x is cancel out, then in left hand side 1552 this is equals to a power 4 plus b power 4. Then students, here a power 4 plus b power 4 this is equals to 1552. Now a plus b this is equals to 10. This if we take square both side, then in left hand side a plus b whole square this is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab, and this is equals to 10 square, that is 100. Now if we find out value of a square b square, here a square plus b square this is equals to a 100 minus 2 times ab. Here students, a square plus b square in left hand side, and we know that a square plus b square is positive. So students, 100 minus 2 times ab is also positive. So students, 2 times ab is less than equals to 100. Then if divide both side 2, then this 2 and this 2 is cancel out. So students, a times b, 100 is divided by 2, then we get 50. Then a times b is less than 50. A times b always less than 50. Now here a power 4 plus b power 4 this is equals to 1552, and we know that the algebraic identity of x plus y whole square this is equals to ax square plus y square plus 2 times xy. And here if this x is replaced by a square and this y is replaced by b square, sorry students, this y is replaced by b square, then x is replaced by a square, then here a square plus y is replaced by b square, then here b square bracket power 2, and this is equals to x is replaced by a square, then a square bracket power 2, and y square is replaced by b square, then here y is replaced by b square, then b square bracket power 2 plus 2 times x is replaced by a square and y is replaced by b square. Then a square plus b square, a square plus b square is 100 minus 2 times ab, then a square minus b, a square plus b square is replaced by 100 minus 2 times ab and bracket power 2, and this is equals to a power 2 bracket power 2, that is a power 4 plus b power 2 bracket power 4 that 2, that is b power 4 plus 2 times a power 2 b power 2 is same as a times b bracket power 2. Now if we put a times b this is equals to t, then in left hand side is 100 minus 2 times t bracket power 2 this is equals to a power 4 plus b power 4. We know that value of a power 4 plus b power 4 is 1552. So students, here 1552 plus 2 times a times b is replaced by t, then here t square, and we know that a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square this is equals to a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. By using this algebraic identity, 100 is a and 2 times t is b, then a minus b whole square and a square, value of a that is 100 square, b that is 2 times t square minus 2 times a 100, and b that is 2 times t, and this is equals to, in right hand side 1552 plus 2 times t square, then 100 square that is 10,000 plus 2 times t square, that is 4 times t square, minus 2 is multiplied by 100, that is 200 and 200 is multiplied by 2 times t, then we get 400 times t, and here minus, so minus 400 times t. And this expression is positive in right hand side. So students, if we take this expression in left hand side, then here minus 1552 minus 2 times t square, and this is equals to 0. Now 4 times t square minus 2 times t square, that is 2 times t square, and here minus 400 times t, and 10,000 minus 1558, that is plus 8448, and this is equals to 0. Now if we divide both sides 2, then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, and this 400 is divided by 2, then we get 200, and this 8448 is divided by 2, then we get 4224. Then t square minus 200 times t plus 4224, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of t. Here t square minus 200 times t plus 4224. T square minus 200 times t plus 4224. Students, we will find out the value of t by using middle term split. Here t square minus 200 times t is same as minus 176 t minus 24 times t and plus 4224, and this is equals to 0. Here if we take common t, then t square divided by t, then we get t, and minus 176 times t divided by t, then we get minus 176. And here if we take common minus 24, then here students t minus 176, and this is equals to 0. Here students t minus 176 and here t minus 176 is common. So students, if we take t minus 176 is common, then here t minus 24, and this is equals to 0. Either t minus 176 this is equals to 0, or t minus 24 this is equals to 0. So students, here value of t that is equals to 176, and here value of t that is 24, and we know that value of t that is a times b. So students, this t is replaced by a times b, this is equals to 176, and this a times b is equals to 24. And we know that a times b is less than equals to 50. So students, this value is neglect, because students a times b is always less than equals to 50. So a times b is cannot be equal to 176. So students, here a times b this is equals to 24, and here it is given, sorry students, not given, a plus b this is equals to 10. A plus b this is equals to 10. And here if we find out value of b in terms of a, then 10 minus a. A plus b is equals to 10, then b is equals to 10 minus a. And this b is replaced by 10 minus a. 10 minus a, and this is equals to 24. Then a is multiplied by 10, then we get 10 times a. And this a is multiplied by minus a, then we get minus a square, and this is equals to 24. Here students, if we take all the expression in same side, then a square minus 10 times a plus 24, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of a. Students, first we will find out the value of a by using middle term split. A square minus 10 times a, that is 6 times a minus 4 times a plus 24, and this is equals to 0. Here if we take common a, then a minus 6, and here if we take common minus 4, then a minus 6, and this is equals to 0. Here if we take common a minus 6, a minus 6 is multiplied by a minus 4, this is equals to 0. So students, either a minus 6 this is equals to 0, or a minus 4 this is equals to 0. So students, here a is equals to 6, and here a is equals to 4. Students, value of a that is 6, and value of second value of a that is 4. And we know that a is equals to x power 1 by 4. Now this a is replaced by x power 1 by 4, and this is equals to 6, and this a is replaced by x power 1 by 4, and this is equals to 4. If we take power 4 both sides, then we know that a power m bracket power n this is equals to a power m times n. So students, by using this rule, 1 by 4 is multiplied by 4, then we get x is equals to, because students 1 by 4 is multiplied by 4, then we get 1. And 6 power 4. 6 power 4 means 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. And we know that x is equals to 6 times 6, that is 36. 36 times 6, that is 200. 16 times 6, that is 1296. And here if we take power 4 both side, then in left hand side x power 1 by 4 bracket power 4, then we get x, and this is equals to 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, and x is equals to 4 times 4, that is 16, and 4 times 4, that is 16, and 16 times 16, that is 256. Here students, two possible values of x, that is 1296 and 256. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.